How to resize images or icons quickly and easily in Windows 10. No installation required. As you can see guys, I have an image here called Websplaining Logo on my desktop, and in this video I'm going to be resizing this logo into a very small image that I'm going to be using as an icon. So I'm just going to quickly double click on this image just to show you how it currently looks like. So as you can see, it's just my YouTube channel logo here. I'm just going to X out of it, and I'm also going to show you the current dimensions and size of the image file. So I'm just going to right click on my image file here. I'm going to go down to properties. So as you can see, the type of file is a PNG file. The next thing I want to show you is the image dimensions. So I'm just going to left click on the details tab here, and as you can see, the current dimensions of this image is 1280 x 1275. In this video tutorial, I'm going to be changing the image dimensions to 64 x 64 pixels. To begin the resizing process, I'm just going to X out of the properties of my image, and I'm going to navigate to the bottom left hand corner of my taskbar here, and I'm going to left click on the search box. All you'll need to do is type paint in this search box here and then open up paint. So on the right hand side here, you'll have the option to open up paint, which I'm going to do now. The next thing we need to do is import our image for resizing into paint. To do this, simply drag it into paint. So I'm just going to move paint here to the side. I'm going to left click on my logo on my desktop, and I'm going to drag it into paint and then let go of the left click. Once you've done that process guys, it should import directly into paint. And as you can see guys, that is the case. I'm just going to adjust the size of this window here by maximizing it, and I'm going to adjust the magnification here so we can get a better view. Once you've got your image that you would like to resize in paint, the next thing we need to do is resize it. So simply navigate to the very top here of paint, and you should see the option resize here. Make sure you're in home. If you're in view, you won't see that option, so make sure you're in home. Once you've found resize, simply left click on it. I'm just going to drag this window to the side here so we can see everything a bit better. So as you can see, Resize and Skew window has opened. Below you have two options to resize. The first option is by percentage, which is selected by default, and right next to it is pixels, which is not selected. Of course, I'm going to be resizing by pixels as I have an exact desired pixel dimension that I would like to resize this logo into. So I'm just going to simply left click on pixels here. Once you've selected pixels guys, you'll now be able to adjust your image dimensions in pixels. So as you can see, horizontal is currently set to 1280. We're going to change that to 64, and our vertical dimension will change proportionally. As you can see guys, it has changed to 63 and not 64, and that is because the maintain aspect ratio is currently checkmarked. I personally don't want to maintain the aspect ratio, as I would like to have a 64 x 64 pixel dimension, as I'm going to be using this image as an icon elsewhere. So I'm going to uncheck maintain aspect ratio, and now you'll be able to freely change the vertical option to what you desire. So I'm going to just type 64 here, and as you can see, our horizontal dimension is equal to our vertical dimension, which is a perfect square. And all you need to do once you've entered in your desired image dimensions in pixels is left click on OK at the very bottom of Resize and Skew. And there we go guys, our image has been resized, and if we look to the top left hand corner here, our image is very tiny as I have dramatically reduced the size into an icon size 64 x 64. The next thing we'll need to do guys is save our changes that we have just made to our image dimensions. To do this, simply left click on File at the top left hand corner here. Don't left click on Save, as that will overwrite your original image and you may not be able to get it back again. What you'll need to do is select Save As to make a copy of your original image. Once done guys, the File Explorer window will open, and you'll need to choose a destination to save your modified image. As you can see, I'm currently in my desktop, and that's where I'm going to be saving my modified image in. You also have the option to choose a file name. I'm going to add to the file name, as I would like to personally differentiate between the original image. So I'm just going to add a space here, and I'm going to type modified. Once you've chosen your file name for your resized image, you also have the option to change the save as type. As you can see, for me, by default it's PNG, and that is because my original image was also a PNG. However, if you would like to change it to something else, you also have that option here by simply left clicking on this drop down menu here. So for me again guys, I'm going to be going with PNG, the same as my original image. Once you're happy with the destination, file name and save type, simply left click on Save. Once done guys, if your image is a PNG, Paint will greet you with this little warning message which says, any transparency will be lost if you save this picture. Do you want to continue? For me guys, I don't mind as my background is white. However, if you don't have a background for your image, this may be undesirable. However, you can adjust this by removing the background and turning it transparent once again. I have a video on how to do this and I'll put it in the video description below and also as a card on the top right hand corner of this video. Alright guys, to save your resized image, all you'll need to do now is simply left click on OK. Once done, you can X out of Paint, so that's what I'm going to do now, and you'll then be taken back to your desktop. As you can see guys, my resized image is also on my desktop here. It's called Websplaining Logo Modified. I'm just going to place it directly next to the original image, and I'm just going to quickly show you the new dimensions of our resized image. So I'm just going to right click on it again, and I'm going to go to Properties, and again I'm going to go to Details. As you can see, the dimensions now read 64x64. Width is 64 pixels, height is 64 pixels, which is exactly what we wanted our image resized to. Alright guys, I'm going to X out of the resized image's properties here, and now I'm going to view it by simply double clicking on it. And as you can see guys, the image is now a lot smaller when we view it. And that pretty much concludes the video guys on how to resize images or icons quickly and easily in Windows 10. No installation required. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like, comment down below, and most importantly of all, subscribe to support the channel. I'll see you on the next video.
Why is it so hard to let you go?